Hi everyone, Kym Dowling here from Dowling Homes. We're back at Semaphore and just thought I'd spend a moment to show you what's happened to date. The previous videos showed the introduction, demolition, and if you remember the underfloor heating that goes right throughout this living area. Well, now the concrete's been poured and we're at the curing stage at the moment, and the concrete grinding application has just started. The guys have come in to do the initial grind for this particular job, and this is a particular concrete colour called smoke, so it's a little bit bluer than standard concrete, and the grinding machines have gone over to do the initial grind. They'll come back later in the project to do the final one and finally seal it, but we've put some water on the slab here just to give you a bit of an idea of what we're trying to achieve. This is what they call a salt and pepper look. So it's just a very light grind, just to give that slight stone look to the concrete. So this is going to look absolutely beautiful when it's finished. Just a quick rundown on the layout of this build. That's obviously the original back part of the house. We're continuing the hallway through. These set down areas are for the 2 bathrooms, separate toilet and laundry in here. We're going to be breaking into this back wall to create a walk-in wardrobe from what's going to be the new bedroom 1. So we'll come through into the walk-in wardrobe, into a really lovely sized ensuite, and out in this back area we've got a really big walk-in pantry, butler's pantry they're sometimes called, with its own sink in it, leading out to the kitchen on this side, and then over here we've got this really large living area and dining area across the back here. Lovely opening bifolding doors going across this rear section. This is where the build stops at this point here, and then this great 4-metre under main roof al fresco area with once again the polished concrete on it as well. So big project, this one, lovely size, certainly going to make a world of difference to the owners and their lifestyle. So that's where we're sitting at the moment. Next phase is to get the wall frames in place. In the meantime, the owners are also getting a pool installed out the back, so that's going to be craned right over the roof into the back corner before we start building all this, so that there's minimal disruption. So look forward to showing you some more footage on this spectacular project at Semaphore. If this is something you're looking at doing on your property, pop on our website, www.dowlinghomes.com.au. On every page of the website there's a request a quote section, easy to fill out, easy to submit. We can get back to you, answer any questions, make an appointment to come out and see you. We can make it happen, and make it happen easily. I'm Kym Dowling from Dowling Homes. Bye for now.